Hello guys, good afternoon. For today's video, ito na lang yung natira nating paninda sa ating small sari-sari store. So, ang dami ng mga kulang guys. So, kailangan natin magtipid at mag-budget every day. Have a good day and happy Valentine's Day sa inyong lahat. Good morning!